So let's talk about how it works. So the first thing that I want to talk about is apple cider vinegar has really blew up in the last 2 to 3 years, and people are claiming that it has all sorts of benefits, from curing different diseases to fat loss. You name it, someone on the internet has said it. In this video, I'm specifically talking about, can apple cider vinegar help you lose weight, help you lose body fat, or not? I don't just want to be one of these guys that tell you that something works without explaining how it works or if it works. If you do want to know what type of apple cider vinegar to use, then stay right to the end of the video, because I'm going to share at the end what type of apple cider vinegar to use. There is a specific brand that I recommend. I don't get paid. I don't have any links that you can go through and buy it, so I don't get any money by telling you that. But if you don't use this specific brand, there is just not many good brands out there that sell apple cider vinegar. And if you buy the wrong one, then you won't get any benefits at all. So does apple cider vinegar help you lose weight? The answer is yes, it does. And both the science and the experience do prove this. So for me, my personal experience, and other people's experience as well, but I want to talk about my personal experience using apple cider vinegar for the last 2 years. For me, I find when I have weeks where I drink apple cider vinegar every day, I lose an extra around 0.2 to 0.3 pounds per week.
Oh my God! Wow!
Which you might think is only very small, but actually in the grand scheme of things, that is massive. To lose that much body fat extra by just doing one small little thing is massive. That doesn't mean that you will lose that much. You may lose a little bit more, you may lose less. That's going to be dependent on your specific body. For my body, that is what happens. If you want to learn more ways to lose body fat or to build muscle and get in brilliant shape, this channel is going to be for you. So click the subscribe button and click the little bell as well. That will notify you every time I upload a new YouTube video. Before we talk about how apple cider vinegar helps you lose body fat, let's just quickly address some of the bad information that comes around on YouTube. And this is the issue with a big trend like apple cider vinegar. A few years ago, when the topic really blew up, it became a really big trend in the industry. Every single person wanted to do a video on apple cider vinegar. So basically that then causes terrible information. If you have hundreds, thousands of people going, I want to be part of that trend, I want to get loads of YouTube views and make loads of money, I'm going to tell everybody that if you drink apple cider vinegar before bed, you can lose 5 pounds in a week. People did that and still do that today because it's a popular topic to talk about. They want to make more money and get more views, not actually give you the correct information. The key important thing to understand is that apple cider vinegar, although it will help your health, it will improve your fat burning ability, it is only a supplement, or what I would class as a supplement to your diet. Your diet is still going to be 95% of fat loss, eating in a calorie deficit, focusing on your nutrition. That's going to be almost everything. And apple cider vinegar is just going to be that little bit of icing on the cake that's just going to push you over the line a little bit more, give you that little bit extra. And although that might sound like a bad thing, you're thinking, well, I thought it was some magic pill, some magic supplement. It still is in a sense, because even though it's only maybe 1% or less of fat loss, it's really just a small little thing you can do.
I got a thin dick!
There are many small little things that you can do, such as drinking black coffee on a fast. That's going to help boost your metabolism, lose more body fat, such as drinking green tea. Those things, all these little things, drinking your apple cider vinegar, even though they're so small and they only give you that little bit of an extra boost, if you're doing 10, 15 of these little things, they do really start to add up in your nutrition. If you're doing 10 different little things that give you even 0.5% or a percentage each, that's still like an extra 10% that you have over other people. I say that to tell you that it will help you lose body fat, but I want to be realistic with you. It's not one magic drink that you just drink before bed and everything is perfect and you've lost 10 pounds of body fat. It doesn't work like that. If you want to actually work hard and stick to a nutrition plan and stick to a calorie deficit, lose body fat, and you're looking for something to give you a little extra boost, this is something for you. If you're looking for a magic pill, then you'll never hit your goal anyway. So let's talk about how it works. So the first thing that I want to talk about is apple cider vinegar will speed up your metabolism. The way that it does this is by expanding your fatty acid activity. Basically what this means is it allows fatty acids to be in a more usable form. Fatty acids are basically just fats broken down. So if you make it easier for your body is going to utilise that more. One of the other ways that apple cider vinegar helps you lose more body fat is because of the acidic acid in the apple cider vinegar. So it's actually nothing to do with the nutrient contents of the apple cider vinegar, it's about the acidic acid. And basically what that does is it controls and lowers insulin. So if you have lower insulin levels, you will burn more fat. If you have higher insulin levels, you will gain more weight. Because insulin is an anabolic hormone, it will build and grow your fat cells the more you have of it. That's why diabetics are usually overweight or obese. I'm now going to put an image of the product and the brand that I personally recommend using, because this is an actual real apple cider vinegar. If you buy the ones from the supermarket and they're extremely cheap, you can just tell the difference. Like if you buy this product and you buy one from the supermarket, you can tell the difference. You're going to see no benefit from it. I have tested them out. Even though they're cheaper, they don't work. And as I said before, I don't have any links in the description. You can't click on a link and give me a commission. I don't make any money from telling you that. That's just the best apple cider vinegar. If you actually want to get results, I know that product works. If I remember, which knowing me I probably won't remember, I'll leave a link to a study in the description. One of the studies that I read, it's a real simple study. It basically just shows that they took two groups, a group A and a group B, and it's an easy study to find. It's not too difficult to find if you want to research it for yourself. And the group that had a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar every day on the same nutrition plan as the other group B, the group A who took the apple cider vinegar, did lose more body fat over a 12-week period than the other group.